Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my favorite recipe of Bo Luc Lac. In Vietnamese, Bo means beef, Luc Lac means stir and shake, hence the name shaking beef. If you have never had shaken beef before, it's seared, tendered beef cubes that's marinated in a delicious sauce, embedded in a salad with fresh vegetables. If you're still hesitant on trying this recipe, let me tell you, it's super easy and quick. This whole preparation process took 15 minutes to prep and 5 minutes to cook. That's less than an hour for a delicious meal you will not regret. Here are all the ingredients you'll need to make Vietnamese shaking beef for a serving of 6. The main ingredient is beef. Today I'm using 1 pound of ribeye, which has a good amount of fat and flavor. It's recommended to use tenderloin, or for the best results, use filet mignon. But as a young broke millennial, I'm using ribeye. For the seasoning, you'll need 5 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar along with half a tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. For the garnish, you'll need lettuce, a bell pepper in any color, an onion, and optional, a tomato. To get started, you want to pat dry your beef using a paper towel to draw out all the moisture. Next, I'm going to cut off the excess fat, leaving only the meat. Then cut them into 1-inch cubes or the size that you prefer. One thing to note is that they will shrink a bit once cooked. After that, I'm going to transfer them into a bowl to get ready for the next step. Now onto the seasoning. You'll need to add your 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. If you're using more beef, just remember that it's a 1:1:1 ratio between these 3. Next, you'll need 1 tablespoon of sugar and half tablespoon of pepper, most of your minced garlic. You'll want to save some for the frying part. Give it a good mix and let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. You don't want to leave it for too long or the beef is going to get really tough. The meat is supposed to be very tender. While we wait for that, we're going to work on our garnishes. We're going to dice up our onions into small bite-sized cubes. We're also going to do the same with the bell pepper. For the tomato, I'm going to cut them into thin slices. Now onto the cooking part. Using a wok or a pan, pour in about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Place the beef in slowly and move them around so that each piece is touching the hot surface. Then let it sit without moving it. This way, it is seared, giving you a nice charred flavor. Then you'll want to mix it around. Once you get the beef into a preferred wellness level, add in the onions and the bell peppers. Give it a quick mix and then turn off the heat so it doesn't cook all the way, giving it a nice crunchy flavor to the soft, tender beef. Plate it with some green lettuce. Serve it hot with some rice and enjoy it with the people you love. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a like. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button for more Vietnamese cooking videos. Thanks for watching everybody. Have a wonderful day and get cooking.